Hello and welcome to our channel. Health and Happiness for Life. Today I'm going to talk about foods that you should include in your diet to boost your skin's health and appearance. These foods are rich in nutrients that can help keep your skin hydrated, elastic, smooth, and protected from damage. They can also prevent and reverse the signs of aging, such as wrinkles, sagging, and spots. So without further ado, let's get started. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most popular beverages in the world, and for good reason. Green tea contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that can benefit your skin in many ways. Catechins can help prevent and treat acne by reducing sebum production, killing bacteria, and reducing inflammation. They can also improve skin elasticity, hydration, and texture by enhancing collagen synthesis and preventing collagen breakdown. Furthermore, catechins can protect your skin from sun damage by inhibiting DNA damage and reducing oxidative stress. To get the most out of green tea, drink 2 to 3 cups per day and avoid adding milk or sugar. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source that can help repair and regenerate your skin cells. Eggs also contain biotin, which is a B vitamin that can help prevent dryness and cracking of your skin. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are carotenoids that can help protect your eyes from UV rays. Avocado. Avocado is food that is high in healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, which benefit many functions in your body, including your skin. Eating enough healthy fats can help keep your skin flexible and moisturized. One study found that women who ate a high intake of healthy fats had more supple and springy skin than those who ate less. Avocado also contains compounds that may protect your skin from sun damage, which can cause wrinkles and aging signs. Additionally, avocado is a good source of vitamin E, which works well with vitamin C to boost your skin's antioxidant defense. Berries. Berries are among the best foods for healthy skin because they are loaded with antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, flavonoids, resveratrol, and ellagic acid. These antioxidants can help prevent and reverse the signs of aging by scavenging free radicals, stimulating collagen production, improving blood flow to the skin, and reducing inflammation. Some of the best berries for your skin are blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, cranberries, and cherries. You can eat them fresh or frozen, or add them to your smoothies or desserts. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes, are rich in vitamin C, which is one of the most important nutrients for your skin. Vitamin C is involved in the synthesis of collagen, the protein that gives your skin structure and elasticity. Vitamin C also helps prevent and treat UV-induced damage by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation. Moreover, vitamin C can brighten your skin tone by inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment that causes dark spots and hyperpigmentation. To get the most out of vitamin C, eat fresh citrus fruits or squeeze some lemon juice on your salads or water. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are one of the best foods for your skin, as they contain a plethora of vitamins and minerals that can benefit your skin in different ways. For example, spinach is rich in iron, which is essential for oxygen delivery to your cells. Kale is rich in vitamin K, which can help reduce dark circles under your eyes. Broccoli is rich in vitamin A, which can help regulate sebum production and prevent acne. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are another great source of vitamin C, as well as beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in your body. Vitamin A is essential for keeping your skin healthy by promoting cell growth and differentiation, regulating oil production, and fighting acne-causing bacteria. Beta-carotene also acts as an antioxidant and a natural sunblock, protecting your skin from oxidative stress and UV rays. Bell peppers come in different colors, such as red, yellow, green, and orange, each with its own benefits. For example, red bell peppers have more vitamin C than green ones, while yellow ones have more lutein and zeaxanthin, which are good for your eyesight. Beetroot. Beetroot is a root vegetable that has a deep purple color due to its high content of betalains, a type of phytonutrient that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Betalains can help protect your skin from environmental stressors, such as pollution and UV radiation, and also improve its detoxification by activating enzymes in the liver. Beetroot also contains nitrates, which can boost blood circulation to the skin, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the cells. You can eat beetroot raw or cooked, or juice it with other fruits or vegetables. Carrots. Carrots are another root vegetable that is good for your skin, especially for its color and texture. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which gives them their orange hue and also benefits your skin by acting as a precursor of vitamin A. As mentioned earlier, vitamin A is vital for skin health, as it helps regulate sebum production, prevent acne, and repair skin damage. Carrots also contain other carotenoids, such as lycopene and lutein, which can protect your skin from sunburn and photoaging. You can eat carrots raw or cooked, or grate them into salads or soups. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and herring, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining skin health. Omega-3s help keep your skin thick, supple, and moisturized, and also reduce inflammation and sensitivity to the sun. Some studies have shown that omega-3s can also help fight skin conditions like psoriasis and lupus. Fatty fish also provide vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from free radicals and inflammation. And last but not least, fatty fish contain protein, which is needed for building and repairing your skin cells. So make sure to eat at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap the benefits. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, minerals, and antioxidants that can nourish your skin from within. Some of the best nuts and seeds for your skin are almonds, walnuts, pistachios, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds. These foods can help improve your skin's barrier function, hydration, elasticity, and inflammation. They can also provide essential fatty acids, such as omega-3s and omega-6s, which are needed for the synthesis of prostaglandins, hormones that regulate skin health. Nuts and seeds also contain zinc, selenium, copper, and vitamin E, which are important for skin repair and protection. You can snack on nuts and seeds or add them to your salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are tiny seeds that have a lot of benefits for your skin. Flax seeds are high in omega-3s, which can help improve skin hydration and smoothness. Flax seeds also contain lignans, which are phytoestrogens that can help balance hormones and reduce acne. Flax seeds also have anti-inflammatory effects that can help soothe irritated skin. Flavanols can also protect your skin from sun damage by increasing its resistance to UV rays and reducing redness. However, not all chocolate is created equal. To get the most benefits, choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content and limit your intake to 1 or 2 squares per day. So, these are foods that you should eat for healthy skin. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can nourish your skin from the inside out and enjoy a radiant and youthful complexion. Of course, eating healthy is not the only factor that affects your skin. You also need to drink enough water, get enough sleep, exercise regularly, manage stress, and use appropriate skincare products. But by starting with these foods, you can make a positive change in your skin's health and appearance. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to achieve health and happiness for life.